Coño. Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today I'm bringing you something that I'm pretty sure a lot of you never hear about. It's Cuban Hamburger, guys. It's an amazing way of making a hamburger completely different to whatever you've seen here, and it's called Frita. Frita is something that you can find in certain hidden places within Miami that not a lot of tourist people go, and it's something that is delicious and amazing. I'm gonna give you the whole recipe. Please don't tell anybody about this because I'm gonna get kicked out of Miami if I keep doing this thing with you guys, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love it. So I can't wait any moment. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna begin with the easy part, guys. This is 1 pound of chuck beef, and there is nothing crazy about it. I'm gonna add about 3 cloves of minced garlic into it, and we're gonna put a lot of onions on it, guys, and this is the difference from the other hamburgers. We're also gonna put some onion powder, just in case we don't have enough onion. We're gonna put a little pinch of cumin, not too much, and we're gonna put some nice paprika so we get that nice color and everything. After that, I just put some salt on it and start mixing it up, and as you can see, it's a pretty simple step. Once everything is done, we're just gonna put them on the side so the meat start getting all those flavors into it, and we get the barbecue ready to go, baby. And now it's pretty easy, guys. I created some balls of meat about 2 ounces each, and I just put it on the griddle and stamp on it, man. Just put a lot of strength on it. Once that's done, add more onions, of course, and let's add the Cuban sauce, which is the secret ingredient. Remember, I'm putting the recipe for that secret Cuban sauce on the description of the video, guys, so go and check it out and you're gonna be amazed of the flavors. After about 2 or 3 minutes, I just flip it around and let those onions cook really well with the sauce. This is gonna be a really tasty hamburger, something that I'm pretty sure you never tried before. And I know there's gonna be people complaining that once you put vegetables and stuff into the hamburger, it's not a hamburger anymore. But guys, this is delicious. This is something that you should try for sure. Let's make another one. I feel like the other one we did was too fast, so let's do it again. Just 2 ounces of meat. Put it on the griddle, step on it, make it real flat, and then, and only then, add more onions into it, man. This is gonna taste amazing. I don't know if you should have a meeting with a client or something like that after this hamburger, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be delicious, it's gonna be tasty, and it's gonna be awesome. There you go, guys. Look at the colors of those onions. That's looking amazing. I'm just gonna flip it over a little bit, let those onions cook a little bit. That's something you can do. And you know, the ninja is not keeping any secrets, man. If you feel like 2 minutes is too fast, just flip it over again and let those onions cook. That's the thing that made the difference. Let those onions fall in love with the meat, and you're gonna have an amazing and delicious hamburger in your hands. Something that you never tried before. And just like that, you have a beautiful and amazing, tasty, delicious, crazy good hamburger in your hands, guys. So let's take it out and let's start assemble these hamburgers because I know you want to see how they look. Okay, we're going to start assembling these babies up, and the first thing we're going to use, of course, is going to be some Cuban bread. If you don't have Cuban bread, you can use anything you want, but this is a traditional way of doing it. I'm going to put some mustard right on the bottom of the bread. On top of it, we're going to put that beautiful, amazing hamburger. Look at the colors, guys. Look at those onions. That look amazing. And right on top of the hamburger, we're gonna put some julienne fried potatoes, guys. This is what makes it crispy and really, really nice. And that combination goes really well. I know some people don't like to mix these things, but that's the way it is. And on the top section of the bread, we're gonna put some ketchup, and that's it, guys. Simplicity is the base of everything in here. Look at this. Wow, guys, this thing come out amazing. The flavors on this thing are amazing. I mean, I tried it and I went crazy with it.
The smell of it.
You want to give it a try? You don't want to give it a try?
I mean, keto! Keto!
Guys, this sauce that I made, I'm gonna put the recipe in the description. This is real good stuff, guys. This is amazing, man. And this is something that we use from pretty much every Cuban recipe that we do kind of on the grill and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put the recipe in the description and you guys get it right away because I'm gonna be kicked out of Miami for giving you this recipe, okay?
I know.
All right. That's one of the best secrets in Miami.
Let me ask you something. What's the name of it again?
It's called Frita. And Frita is a Cuban hamburger that were created a long time ago. And believe it or not, that kind of hamburger is dead in Cuba. Nobody made it anymore.
Okay.
Because of, communism and all that kind of stuff. It destroyed everything. The whole economy is dead. And, just to get these ingredients and make it happen is really difficult in Cuba. This is called Malta.
Maltita.
And Malta is amazing. It's like a root beer, but it's not really a root beer.
I think it's sweeter.
It's sweet. It's not alcoholic at all. There's no alcohol in here, but the flavor is so sweet and so nice. Man.
So good. It smells so good.
Hey,
oh,
look who's here.
Look who's here.
Hey.
Oh my God. Are you gonna eat today with us? Oh yeah. Oh boo boo.
There is no cheese on the Cuban hamburger, guys. If you want, you can put some pickles on it. Some people put pickles on it, but there is no cheese, none of that. This is the original way that the way it was created. So, but you can start playing with it after that. Some people put eggs, fried eggs on it. Some people put pickles. Some people put a lot of crazy stuff in there, cheese or whatever.
Serrano.
Jamón serrano.
Right? Jamón serrano.
Jamón serrano is something that if you're gonna put it in any Cuban stuff, sandwich, whatever, you have to heat it up first, okay? You cannot just grab it from the fridge and throw it in there because that's not Cuban. The Cuban way is to heat it up a little bit on the grill and all those flavors come alive, man, and that's amazing. If you never try it because it's amazing. I'm dying here. We have to give it a try. Let's go for it.
Let's go for it.
Ooh,
oh,
too much talking. Oh, man.
Look at the meat here. I'm going to have the meat first.
Let's go for it.
I love when my mouth, the first thing it hit, the onions with the meat. Love it.
A lot of onions in there. You get the flavor of the sauce, which is it's a simple sauce. It's water, vinegar, tomato paste, and a few other things. But you get all those flavors in there because you cook it with it.
Beautiful.
And then you have the crunchiness of the potatoes. It's awesome. This is a home run, as Miss Ninja say. This is super delicious, as Miss Ninja say.
Yes.
And this is delicious, brother.
Yes.
What happened? So, now you have the Cuban Frita with you guys. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes.
And if you like it, please hit us with a like. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel.
Ding, ding, ding. Hit the bell.
Hit the bell. And if you have anything to say, please put it down there in the comments.
Yes.
This is all for today, guys. And remember that I love you.
We love you.
Little Marta for you guys.
Salud.
Salud.
Salud.